Hey guys, the good folks over at Odire sent me over this drone to do a little box opening. So let's get it opened up and see what we get. Comes in a nice case. There we go. Have our instruction book here. Props and prop guards. 2 batteries. I see one here. And here's one. The drone itself. The drone measures 6 by 6 by, I believe it was 2.5 inches. And our controller. There's little styrofoam protectors on there. It looks like in our packet we are also going to get a USB cord and a screwdriver. Now these are just extra props here in case we damage those, but it does have the prop guards. Like I said, screwdriver and your USB-A to USB-C charging cord. And it does have the USB-C port right here to charge up your controller. You also have the USB-C port on the batteries to charge the batteries up. Right here we have our camera button. You can switch it from video to still pictures, your regular camera. Right here you have your speed switching. Long press does 3D flips if you long press this. Over here on the front right side, you have your camera down and your camera up. This will change your camera on your drone itself. This will tilt up and down. Button right here, it says short press to take off and land. Long press for 4 seconds to enter the headless mode. Then press for 4 seconds to cancel the headless mode. And over here on this side, we have our power button right there. See if we have any power. Oh, we have power. Okay, on our drone, we have our power on button right here, which powers it up and powers it down. Of course, it's obvious. We have our camera here. Back end of the drone is your battery. The battery is going to go with the larger part pointing down, just like that. We do have power. See about that camera. Oh, see, it moves. Okay, it has 2 positions, down and straight ahead. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the app on the phone and install the prop protectors here, and I'll check back with you shortly. Looking towards the camera, you're wanting to flip the front ones out first, and then you can slide the rear ones open. There you go. Okay, to put the prop guards on, you're going to want to, there's little clips right here. You want to hook it basically like this and then pop it down from the bottom. Front, just go over the leg stands there and pop them on just like you did the rear ones. And now we are ready for our maiden voyage. Turn it on and see what happens. I just kind of want to fly it for just a second and then we'll put the app on. Okay, it says short press this one right here to take off. Hopefully we don't go too high. Oh wow, y'all. That is really cool, y'all. That is awesome. I like that. You get it where you need to be landing and you can just push that land button and it'll land right back down. I like that. Let's get the app installed and see how that works. Now it does have a QR code in the manual here, and you just need to scan that with your phone to install the app. The app is called the Odire Go app, or Odire, O-D-D-I-R-E, Go. And you click install. Now we can click open. Get started. You'll have to register an account unless you already have an account, and then you just log in. There's play and photos and user manual. Now the cool thing about the controller is this will stretch out like that. So if you have a larger phone or whatever, you will be able to put it in. Mine is the Android S22 Ultra. So it's a little bit larger of a phone, but as you see, it fits just fine. We'll push play while using the device, while using the app, allow, and there we go. Just have to scan for the Wi-Fi and connect the Wi-Fi to the app. And you are good to go. Pretty cool little drone. The only issue I have with it is every time it goes down unplanned, it disconnects from the app and it disconnects everything here. You have to turn it all back on. That is my only issue with it. It seems to work pretty good. So if you're looking for a good beginner's drone to learn how to kind of use the controls and whatnot, this might be the one for you. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.